Okay, so I received this package. I bought my mouse from Apple, and it came within 2 days, as usual. Apple's quick ship time. Brought it here fast, so let's go ahead and dig into this. And as I open it up here, I notice it's got a pretty decent size foam covering. Pull that over, and the mouse itself looks like a hard case wrapped in plastic. And good sized piece of foam underneath as well. Pull this out. And I've read about this case that it comes in. It's a clamshell-like case. Let's see, this pops open here. And it reveals the mouse. Set this to the side. Let's see, little placeholder here. And it looks like some documentation. And it looks like some gesture swipes on the back here. So I can get in on this. So just a little diagram discussing the different slides you can do with your fingers, the different swipes. And I'll go into detail more on that when I do the actual demonstration of it. And as usual, there's some documentation here. Looks like an instruction manual. Some instructions on how to pair it up with your Bluetooth. Looks like a model number certificate. And yes, this is just a booklet with warranty information in it. Now for the mouse itself, again, seamless. This top shell is an actual button that clicks down. Notice on the back we've got some rubberized rails here for it to rest on. The tracking pad, on-off switch, and that's the motion indicator. And that's the latch. So you pop this up, and that exposes the battery compartment. Put that back and press down, yeah, and it clicks right into place. Locks up fine. So again, just a beautiful product. Apple did a knockout job with this one. So I look forward to using it and doing a demonstration on it. So again, this is Jonathan Violet doing an unboxing and video. Thanks for watching.